Seeking success in life and enjoying maximum comfort are shared aspirations for many. If these are goals you aspire to, you've come to the right place. Today, we will explore strategies to enhance financial management and avoid unnecessary expenses, following the advice of the renowned investor Warren Buffett, considered the world's greatest. Be prepared to uncover 7 common financial pitfalls that can lead people down a path of economic decline. The last one undoubtedly holds a surprise, so stay attentive until the conclusion to absorb all the details. Warren Buffett, known for his business acumen, emphasizes the importance of avoiding practices detrimental to finances, especially those that can lead to bankruptcy. Among these practices, highlights include gambling, acquiring properties with excessive debt, paying for gyms without commitment, impulsively buying luxury brands, acquiring depreciating new cars, excessive time spent on television and video games, and extravagant trips planned without considering the long-term financial impact. The central message is clear. To achieve financial success and enjoy lasting comfort, it is crucial to adopt a careful approach to spending choices. Learning from Buffett's experiences and avoiding these pitfalls can be the first step toward a more prosperous and balanced life. Knowledge is key, and by understanding these principles, you are equipped to make more informed decisions toward your financial success and overall well-being. Warren Buffett, a renowned investor, warns about the dangers of gambling, emphasizing its detrimental impact on personal finances. While he acknowledges that occasional gambling may not be a problem, the trap lies in unchecked ambition that leads to excessive spending. Buffett underscores that each time someone engages with slot machines, unchecked ambition can quickly deplete all available funds. He highlights the crucial distinction between relying on luck, a trait of mediocre individuals, and achieving success, which is reserved for those not solely dependent on luck. This is a crucial message to always bear in mind. Buffett's wisdom cautions us to exercise caution in gambling activities, recognizing that even in sporadic moments, unbridled ambition can have serious financial consequences. By emphasizing the distinction between luck and success, he urges us to cultivate a more robust and success-oriented approach in our financial journeys. Maintaining this perspective can be the difference between preserving our resources and falling into the financial pitfalls associated with gambling. In conclusion, the final message is clear: adopting a success mindset based on conscious choices and financial discipline is fundamental to ensuring stability and prosperity, distinguishing oneself from the trap of relying on luck in gambling activities. True financial fulfillment is rooted in intelligent strategies and the construction of solid foundations. Home ownership, in contrast to the less affluent, the wealthy don't own a house, at least not at the outset of their journey towards success. They prefer renting while building the necessary assets to purchase a home eventually. A common mistake among those with fewer financial resources is taking on debt to buy a house, which can be utterly destructive to their finances. Consolidating all assets, savings, and possibly debts in one place is risky. Having a home of one's own doesn't generate income; on the contrary, it incurs expenses. The risk is exceptionally high. It doesn't mean that having a home to share with the family is entirely wrong, but the mistake lies in buying a house with substantial debts, potentially leading to a slow descent into bankruptcy. Paying for the gym without commitment. Statistics reveal that around 61 million people were gym members in 2017, but nearly 70% stop attending after the initial months. Many gyms rely on monthly fees, even when individuals don't show up. Enrolling to improve health and fitness doesn't make sense if you don't go regularly. There are smarter and cost-free leisure options, such as walking, engaging in sports with friends, running, and hiking. Train your mind to persist until you commit to a regular exercise routine. Warren Buffett's financial advice includes avoiding unnecessary expenses, and paying for a gym membership without a commitment is a prime example. Instead of wasting money on underutilized memberships, individuals should explore alternative, more intelligent, and cost-effective ways to stay active. Cultivating a disciplined approach to physical fitness not only benefits one's health, but also contributes to sound financial management. Paying for the gym without commitment. Statistics reveal that around 61 million people were gym members in 2017, but nearly 70% stop attending after the initial months. Many gyms rely on monthly fees, even when individuals don't show up. Enrolling to improve health and fitness doesn't make sense if you don't go regularly. There are smarter and cost-free leisure options, such as walking, engaging in sports with friends, running, and hiking. Train your mind to persist until you commit to a regular exercise routine. Warren Buffett's financial advice includes avoiding unnecessary expenses, and paying for a gym membership without a commitment is a prime example. Instead of wasting money on underutilized memberships, individuals should explore alternative, more intelligent, and cost-effective ways to stay active. Cultivating a disciplined approach to physical fitness not only benefits one's health, but also contributes to sound financial management. Luxury brands. The poor tend to purchase unnecessary items, regardless of the cost. Millionaires may afford designer clothes, mansions, and luxury cars, but it doesn't mean they are spending money on luxury brand material goods. They can acquire these items in any desired quantity, yet often you'll find them using a simple $20 watch or a basic cell phone for years. Simply avoiding buying what is not needed is not enough. It's crucial to evaluate if it is the best option. For instance, paying $200 for a luxury brand t-shirt or $10 for one of the same quality without the brand logo. Both may have the same quality, the brand makes the difference. Warren Buffett's financial wisdom emphasizes the importance of making thoughtful choices to avoid unnecessary expenses. The insight here is not just about refraining from buying things one doesn't need, but also about critically assessing whether the premium associated with a luxury brand is justified. Making informed decisions about spending contributes to financial prudence and is a key aspect of wealth management. Buying a new car. Buffett warns that purchasing a brand new car is one of the worst financial decisions that new generations will make. The vehicle starts depreciating as soon as it leaves the dealership, losing between 20% and 30% of its value in the first year and at least 60% over 5 years. Many people take out loans to buy a new car, essentially borrowing money to acquire an asset that immediately depreciates by 30%. If you want a new car without debts, consider buying a used one with 2 or 3 years of use, saving up to 30% due to its previous ownership. Buffett's advice underscores the financial prudence of avoiding the rapid depreciation associated with brand new cars, promoting wiser spending habits for long-term financial well-being. Watching TV and playing video games. Homes in the middle and lower classes often spend time watching television or playing video games, a trend more common than in wealthier households. Buffett argues that this time and money could be better utilized for more constructive activities or learning how to generate new income. While individuals in higher social classes consistently allocate their leisure time more effectively, those with lower incomes frequently spend their free time watching Netflix or other streaming services. Buffett's insight highlights the opportunity cost of these activities, encouraging individuals to redirect their time and resources toward more productive endeavors for long-term financial success. Extravagant vacations. While travel experiences are valuable, caution is necessary when planning finances to avoid unnecessary debts or financial regrets. It's not uncommon for individuals with lower incomes to go into debt to finance a trip, turning what should be an incredible experience into years of repayment and regret. Careful financial planning is crucial. Choosing the right time for a vacation is just as important as the destination. Avoid financing your trips through loans or debts, as these dream vacations can quickly turn into a financial nightmare, impacting your wallet for years to come. In summary, according to Buffett, the main financial mistakes encompass gambling, acquiring real estate with high debts, paying for gyms without effective commitment, spending on unnecessary luxury brands, buying new cars that quickly depreciate, excessive time spent on TV and video games, and planning vacations without adequate consideration for the financial impact. Buffett's wisdom offers valuable lessons for achieving financial success. If you found the content helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos on financial prosperity, investments, and success. Remember to activate the notification bell to not miss any content prepared especially for you. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.